बड़े बुजुर्ग कहते हैं ओल्ड इज गोल्ड, बट कभी सच में फील किया है विदाउट नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉन्ग्स हियर ना. Visit this place, Indigo Lake Forest, and I think this statement will be etched in your mind. The place has a 100-year-old history for you to dive in. Old English rooms, a museum, and a family tree, which is pretty interesting, and probably you'll think about some ghost movies. But yes, I think this is an experience of a lifetime, probably, if I'm not saying it wrong. And you should experience it yourself. I'll mention about the pros and cons. Let's see, you be the best judge of yourself. After tricky parking, this sign in the Lake Forest Year card will welcome you. And this sets the context ki what are you about to expect in this property. Coming towards the best seat of the property, I think this is it. Just from the restaurant, once you are entering towards right, you will see this. This, as you can see, this is kind of a museum for them. They describe basically in how in those eras oil was extracted along with other machineries. This green color in the interior is something that I have not seen before. It gives a very different feel altogether. And also, it absolutely matches with the restaurant, which is also a pretty nice work of art, I would say. Oh, and did I tell you, they make pizzas in house? Yes. The property itself has a lot of things for you to explore. There are different types of rooms, as in one is completely separate, there are some together, and of course, spa and other facilities as also are there. So it's kind of a mix.
Let me give you some quick review about the place, the Lake Forest, Indigo Lake Forest Hotel. So, first of all, the rooms pretty exotic, like pretty old, and give you that English vibe. Secondly, the food wise, the executive chef here is Anish. I talked to him, so he's pretty good. He tries to take care of all the persons also. I think recently there was some management change. Apart from that, I think I didn't like the plates and the teacups. It will be pretty dirty, so that's one thing they should look for. And other than that, food wise, it was good enough. For non-vegetarians, options are probably less, but it's always on buffet systems. So think about it.
The King Suite rooms are quite nice with a pretty nice view, and I think 3,500 average around with breakfast was a good deal. Well, time to wrap up, but I'll tell you this Indigo Lake Forest Year card was a place which is not very common. Like, you don't get to feel these things in normal hotels. So, you should definitely experience this once and then tell me how it was, alright? And see you next time, and this time it will be Shakleshpur.